Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add text record in Wix. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So as you can see right now, I'm in my site dashboard and now I'm clicking on this profile icon and now clicking on domains. To add a text record or edit your text record, you must have to add your domain to your Wix account. And as you can see here, I have added my domain here. Now I'm clicking on this three dot and now I'm clicking on manage DNS records, and here we can see the option to add text record. So click on add record and now you will be able to add your text record here. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.